Closing words on content marketing. More reasons it's perfect for your marketing strategy. Believe it or not, there was a time when advertising on the radio was the very best way to expose your brand to a large audience. This was the number one way to reach the greatest number of people, and nothing else came close. Then one day, the television was born, and radio advertising became old news. You may have heard the song about it by the Buggles. Now, history is repeating itself. For the past few years, we've been watching as traditional advertising methods like television and print media get gradually overtaken by content marketing. The web is a new star of the show, and content marketing is the most powerful tool that small businesses and massive corporations alike have available to them. Now that's why businesses are investing more and more into the process every year. It's also why 51% of B2B marketers plan on increasing their content marketing budget in the next 12 months. It's what you call the circle of life. You may have heard the song about it by Elton John. Hopefully, I've convinced you over the course of this training that content marketing is the future of digital marketing and that it deserves a place in your strategy. But if not, here are 4 more powerful benefits of content marketing to make you reconsider. Reason number 1, it's cheap and easy. Content marketing can work within any budget. For a small startup, creating a compelling blog and doing some basic SEO, search engine optimization, is an easy and affordable job that can cost as little as necessary. On the other hand, though, larger scale corporations can invest more into content marketing along with SEO and SMO, social media optimization, in order to create a truly formidable online presence. The lower overheads mean that this method is particularly scalable and ensures you get the best return on investment possible. Reason number 2, it's versatile. The variable cost of content marketing is just one example of how flexible content marketing is. There are a range of different ways you can use content marketing to reach your audience, but likewise, there are also a range of different uses for it. Content marketing doesn't just have to be about generating sales. It can also be an invaluable tool for generating leads, for building trust, and even for opening a dialogue for crowdsourcing purposes. Reason number 3, it focuses on relationships and narrative. If you really want to reach an audience and encourage them to take action, then you need to appeal to them on an emotional level and convey your value proposition. This is precisely what content management allows you to do. Furthermore, content builds trust, it creates relationships, and it gives your business a voice. Content marketing allows you to craft your reputation with great precision, create a personality for your organization, and ultimately convey a much more powerful message. This is a fantastic strategy for those with their eye in the long term, aiming to build long-term relationships with their customers and clients. Reason number 4, it's growing. Content marketing is highly popular right now, but it's only going to gain momentum as time goes on. The number of people carrying web-enabled devices 24/7 is still growing, with no signs of slowing down. Likewise, new social platforms are continuously providing new opportunities, and we're getting better and better at creating the kind of content that provides real value for visitors. So, there you go. That's just 4 reasons to ensure content marketing is a big part of your strategy moving forward. The average business currently spends $379,600 a year on this form of marketing, a number that's growing all the time. How does your budget compare to that? There's no time like the present. With all that in mind, it's time to get started and to invest some time and some resources into your own content marketing strategy. Now that means creating your own content marketing schedule, writing blog posts on a regular basis, and then sharing that content on other sites. It means having a great site and blog to begin with, a brand that people can invest in. It means coming up with content that is unique and interesting, and then actually marketing that content just like a product. If you do all this and focus on quality, then you will build a rabid fan base. And once you've done that, you'll start to see this rewarding and enjoyable form of marketing pay you back in huge dividends.